Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing what matters. Choose your Arduino board and verify it supports the RAM and flash your AI needs. Install the Arduino IDE or Platform I/O now and add board packages. Once done, pick a tiny ML model or convert a simple neural net to an Arduino-friendly format. You want a model under available memory. Connect the board, open the IDE, and select the correct COM port and board profile, so uploading becomes immediate and predictable. Now you convert and optimize the model. Export to TensorFlow Lite for microcontrollers and quantize to 8-bit to save space. Make sure to strip unused ops and keep input dimensions minimal. In your sketch, write sensor drivers and preprocessing so inputs match the model's expectations. Scale, normalize, and pack bytes as needed. Then include the TF-Lite micro runtime and add the model array. Upload iteratively, checking serial logs to confirm inference runs without memory faults. Finish by performing full system tests. Feed known inputs and verify outputs match expectations. Measure timing and memory usage. If you hit out of memory or sluggish inference, shrink the model, simplify preprocessing, or offload heavy tasks to a companion MCU. Make sure power management is stable and sensors are debounced. If things go wrong, enable verbose serial logging, upload smaller test sketches incrementally, and confirm each hardware interface works independently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.